Evaluate 9 plus the bracket, 9 plus parentheses, 9 divided by 3, close parentheses, close bracket, times 2. Now, whenever you see parentheses, brackets, operations, and numbers, you're going to use the order of operations. And the way I remember the order of operations is by using PEMDAS. Now, what does PEMDAS stand for? PEMDAS stands for do everything inside parentheses first. Now, brackets are a different type of parentheses. So this rule is special in this problem. We'll talk about it when we get there. The E stands for exponents. The M and the D stands for multiply, divide, left to right. It does not mean you always multiply first and then divide second. It just means you go left to right. And if you see multiplication or division, you go in that order, left to right. Addition and subtraction is the same thing, just means left to right, doesn't mean you always add first. Now let's take a look at what we have. We have a bracket, and inside the bracket we have parentheses. Whenever you see parentheses and stuff inside of a bracket, you do the innermost parentheses first. So the first thing that we're going to do is parentheses 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Now we drop everything else down. 9 plus bracket 9 plus. We did the parentheses. Close the bracket times 2. Now we're not done this section yet because now we have to do the bracket part. So once the innermost parentheses is done, we have to deal with a bracket because a bracket is a special type of parentheses. So 9 plus 3 in this bracket is 12. So let's write that out and drop down 9 plus and times 2. So all the parentheses in the brackets are done. Do I have any exponents? No. Do I multiply or divide? Yes, I do. I have 12 times 2. So I'm going to do 12 times 2 first. 12 times 2 is 24. Now let's drop down that 9 plus. So I'm done multiplication. I had no division. Now it's just an addition problem, add or subtract, and there's just one operation left, so I just do the 1. 9 plus 24 is 33. And that's my answer.